how to change app permission on Note 15 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on privacy protection. After click on privacy protection, click on all permission. After click on all permission, now in permission manager, click on camera and you will see apps is here. If you want to change app permission, select app from here. After select app, click, you will see allow only while using the app, ask every time, don't allow. Click on allow only while using app. After the process, and you will select another app, click on allow only while using the app. You will see app permission is changed. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change permission on Note 15 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.